Hello there, and today I want to give you an update on Assetara. We are now a little over 1 month inside this option, but overall this test is going fine. For those who have been following the journey, you already know the idea here. I'm not trying to predict anything, I'm not trying to convince anyone. I'm simply sharing what I'm doing and showing everything step by step. Today I want to show you how my account is doing, what's new inside the platform, because there is a new tab that I found last night, so I want to show it to you. And I'm going to perform another live withdrawal because a lot of you keep asking if withdrawals are going fine. So let's test it on camera. Withdrawals are practically instant, so we can see how that goes today. If this is the first time you heard about Assetara, well, this is a passive option with different ways to participate inside the members area. They have a standard USDT package where you can get returns from 1% up to, I think it's 1.8%. It all depends how much you deposit, and you can collect your profits daily. But on top of that, they also have a native token. You can stake the token, you can use it for a task, you can use it to unlock different rewards, and eventually you can turn all of those tokens into different cryptos. I have a couple of videos here in the channel where I explain all of that in detail. I will leave those links in the description of this video, or you can come here and go to the end of the page. You will find here presentations, white paper, investors memorandum, the tokenomics, links to the Telegram group. That is an open community and is pretty active, so you can interact with other members. Let's take a look at my account. I have one plan right here in portfolio running until September 15. I got the starter plan, and the starter plan, let me show you, is this one, where you can get started with as little as 10 USDT, giving you a 1% daily, and according to your deposit you can unlock higher daily returns. The shortest plan is 28 days, the maximum is 140 days. You also have a compounding option. So in this one I deposit 400, I'm collecting profits, and I'm only compounding 20% of those gains. That's why you can see my balance keeps growing. And right here they have the token. I also purchased some of those. You need to connect your wallet, and then after you purchase the tokens, we can go to staking. And I've been staking 25,000 ASRA, that's the name of the token, and I have another 39 days before I finish this cycle and I can collect my rewards. By the end of the cycle, all the profits are coming in USDT. Well, right here in completed, I already finished one staking plan where I had 12,000 ASRA working for me, and well, that's where we at right now. They have the betting, which is more like the poly market option. They have the task, the survey, which is the new tab. But before we go there, let me perform a withdrawal. I have a balance here of 61. I'm gonna click in send. Right here I click in this box. I select where I have my balance. I'm going to change the network. We're gonna get it in BIP20. If I click here in max, now I need to provide my security pin and two-factor. Let me do this first and continue. Withdrawal proceed. It should come to this balance, so let's see how long it takes to arrive. Usually it's super fast. Now let me show you the new tab that we have right here. So this is surveys, just like the name says, and we need to answer these surveys and we can get some extra tokens. Wait a minute, I just got the report here in my phone. I just received the withdrawal and we got it. There you go, 1 minute, 61.17. So another successful withdrawal from Assetara, and my balance went back to 0. Okay, so here it says completed surveys. Well, after we finish, all we need to do is click in the star and follow the steps, and the list of those surveys are going to be right here. Submitted surveys will appear here with reward status and claim actions. I don't want to do it on camera because I don't know how long it's going to take. I will do it after this video. But apparently we're going to get those rewards, and with those rewards we can go to task, which is the other tab right here. No, sorry, we can go to levels, and we can use those rewards right here to unlock some of these boxes, and these boxes are going to give us some extra USDT that is going to be added to our balance. And in my previous video, I explained how this works as well. And here in task, we're gonna have daily task, weekly, monthly, and when we click right here, those points are going to be added to this balance, and then we can turn it into different rewards and eventually into USDT. I'm trying to collect as much as I can before I swap it into different rewards. Now, my opinion on risk hasn't really changed. This is still one of the higher risk options that I'm testing right now. The reason is simple. We still don't have full transparency about everything happening behind the scene. That doesn't mean it's good, but also doesn't mean it's bad. It simply means there are things we can't fully verify, even when they are giving us a lot of information in the website, maybe some faces, videos, presentations. I see this more like a community project where everybody needs to participate, needs to be engaged with the platform to keep moving. That's why I continue treating this as an experiment. So far, my experiment has been positive. The platform is active, the withdrawals are working fine and super fast. New features continue to appear, but it's still a test, and still to me is super early, only 1 month since we got started. We can participate every day because the majority of the options out there, we simply deposit and let it run, right? But here they have different details that keep us very engaged. We have the token, we need to see how that token appreciates through time. The betting option, which is super popular right now with the poly markets, now the surveys. And even with the daily plans, I think the returns are grounded. 1% daily is not bad. Many projects out there are pretty much in the same range. As always, I'll keep documenting everything step by step. I will continue sharing the positive side and things I'm watching closely. If you have any questions for me, you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description. And well, guys, this is all that I want to show you today. Check out the survey and let me know how that goes for you. That's all for now. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the Crypto Leader. Bye.